Hello everyone, welcome to the Techguyhub, and today I'll be talking about how to chart a particular store on AliExpress. So if you are finding, difficulties, or maybe you're having a misunderstanding about a particular product on AliExpress, then this video is for you. So you'll be able to chart, the store owner and know more about the product. So let's say this is the product that I want. So let's say just select the product that you want to know more details about. Okay, so this is the product. And let's say I have some misunderstanding with the product, whether it is compatible for my vehicle or whether it is not. So just scroll and visit the store page section to realize in here. Scroll and tap on the store name. So after the question and answer tab, tap on the store name, realizing here, tap on the store name to visit the store official page. Okay. So when that has loaded successfully, you realize there is a customer care button before the follow button. Okay. There's a customer care button before the follow button, as you realize at the top corner. So just tap on it. So tap on it, tap on it. Okay, tap on it. And this will open, a chat box that you'll be able to, chat with the store, make inquiries of a particular product that you've seen in your store. Yeah, so you just have to type the message that you want to type in here, okay? And send. So the seller will reply you. So that's how simple and easy it is to, to chat a particular store on AliExpress. Yeah, with regards to their product. Yeah. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and so give a thumbs up. See you in the next video.